Welcome to a new video. In this video, we'll have a look at the observer pattern and code it in Java. So, in software design and engineering, the observer pattern is a software pattern in which an object named the subject maintains a list of its dependents called observers and notifies them automatically of any state change, usually by calling one of their methods. So basically you have something which you observe, which is known as a subject. The subject maintains a list of observers, and if something happens, basically the state changes, it lets them know that something has happened. Reactive patterns, currently quite hot in programming, basically work on this same principle. You subscribe to a subject, and if something happens, you are notified. So let's see how we can do this in Java. So here we have our main class. Our subject is a trade observable. So this is what we are going to be observing. And then you have a couple of concrete observers known as logging service and risk management. Our subject registers them in a list. So add observer, logging service and risk management. And once we get a trade, we execute the trade, and the logic inside the observable executes, letting the observers know that an action has been performed. So let's have a look at the trade observable. The trade observable has an array list where it will keep the observers. When you call add observer, we add it inside the list. You can actually remove once you denotify, so the observer will be removed from the list. And when you execute trade, you can perform any action above and let the observers know that a certain action has happened on the trade by running the loop. So all the observers which are registered in our observers list or are watching the subject will be notified. Next, let's have a look at our logging service. So a logging service is a observer, and it has implemented the update method which is there in the observer. Similarly, our risk management system also implements trade observer and gives a implementation for the update method. Here we are just adding it inside the list. We have our trade here. It's a simple POJO, so company price and action. We have the constructor and the toString implemented, and once you call execute, it simply comes inside, calls their update method. So let's run it and see what we get. So this is what we get. First we notify the logging service and the risk management service, and we are simply printing it here. So that's a simple implementation of the observer pattern. Thanks for watching.